It happens all the time. A home inspector calls out a defect, and the seller agrees to repair it. A contractor is called, comes out, and tells the seller that the issue is either not a concern or that it is not as reported. What do? Some sellers will simply pass the information on to the buyers and not do a repair. Some will do a repair just to avoid making waves. It's less trouble. However, they feel that they have spent money unnecessarily, and that's not good for anybody. The contractor may be right. He also may be wrong, and we all owe it to the buyer and seller to get it right. We suggest the following. First, call us and explain the situation. We welcome this and are willing to talk to the contractor to get the facts. In many cases, it is simply a clarification issue. We are always happy to provide reasons for our conclusions. We also want you and your clients to have the correct information, and we will revisit an issue anytime there is a question. Second, make sure the contractor has a copy of the report. Too many contractors call us with just the response, which may not explain the defect. Many defects have multiple ways they can be remedied. Third, make sure the contractor is qualified. We really don't like having to tell a contractor how to repair something, and yet it happens often. They simply do not understand the problem or the fix. Did you know there are 3 ways to repair an ungrounded 3-prong receptacle? Circumstances dictate which is most cost-effective. Electricians know. Most handymen don't. It should not matter who paid for the inspection. The results and report should be a list of facts, and yes, some opinions, that can be logically dealt with through the response process. If you or a contractor have any questions about your inspection, please contact us at 941-493-4334 or 239-330-9910.